Welcome back, language enthusiasts! Today we are diving into the world of celebrity feuds, especially the one that rocked the music industry, the ongoing conflict between music mogul P. Diddy and, well, let's just say several people. But to understand this saga, we have to master the language of the media and headlines that chronicle it. First, let's talk about the rift between P. Diddy and others. A rift is a serious disagreement or separation, a deep division. In the case of P. Diddy, there are rifts with former friends, collaborators, and even family members. For instance, the rift between P. Diddy and his former business partner has been widely reported in the media. The fallout from these rifts has been significant. Fallout refers to the negative consequences of an event, the aftermath. In this case, the fallout includes legal battles, public accusations, and even physical alterations. Here is a prime example. The fallout from P. Diddy's legal battles with his ex-girlfriend has been very public and contentious. The media is rife with allegations about P. Diddy's relationships and behavior. An allegation is a claim that someone has done something wrong, but it hasn't been proven in court. It's important to remember that allegations are just that, claims, not confirmed facts. In a situation like this, for instance, one of the allegations against P. Diddy involved a physical alteration with a former employee. P. Diddy is known for his entourage, a group of people who surround and support him. An entourage is a group of close associates often seen as an extension of the main person's persona. In this case, accusations have been made about the entourage playing a role in instigating conflicts. Let's consider. P. Diddy's entourage has been accused of being involved in several disputes, allegedly contributing to the tension in his relationships. The music world often sees diss tracks, songs aimed at insulting another artist. This is a common tactic in the hip-hop scene, where P. Diddy has a long history. A diss track is a song that directly attacks someone, often through insults or derogatory language. Just imagine, for instance, P. Diddy has been involved in several high-profile diss track exchanges with other rappers, often fueled by rivalries and competition. While some feuds have been resolved, others continue. Reconciliation is the act of making peace, of coming back together after a disagreement. But achieving reconciliation in this case seems to be a long shot, as some of the rifts seem irreparable, such as, for example, despite efforts at reconciliation, some of P. Diddy's relationships remain strained, with past conflicts leaving a lasting impact. The phrase bad blood is often used to describe lingering animosity between people. This conflict is certainly characterized by bad blood, meaning there's a lot of anger, resentment, and distrust between the parties involved. Take, for instance, this scenario. The bad blood between P. Diddy and certain individuals stemmed for years of unresolved issues and past grievances. This feud has been a source of constant scandal, meaning it has been the subject of much public attention and controversy. A scandal is a public event that causes outrage or shame. Let me give you a classic example. P. Diddy's feud has become a constant scandal in the media, with new details emerging about the conflict. The word feud itself implies a long-standing and bitter conflict. It's a fight or dispute that often involves families or groups. P. Diddy's conflicts are often referred to as feuds because of their persistence and the deep-seated animosity involved. To illustrate the point, the ongoing feud between P. Diddy and certain individuals is a reminder that even celebrities are susceptible to personal conflicts. There have been many clashes between P. Diddy and his adversaries. A clash is a conflict or disagreement, often a sudden or forceful one. These clashes have occurred both publicly and privately, resulting in tense exchanges, accusations, and even physical confrontations. By way of illustration, the clash between P. Diddy and his former business partner reached a boiling point. The feud often turns into a rivalry, a competitive relationship marked by a strong desire to outperform or defeat the other person. A rivalry can be both personal and professional, as is the case with P. Diddy and his adversaries. As a case in point, the rivalry among P. Diddy and other singers go back to their early days in the music industry, marked by competition for talent, resources, and influence. The term friction describes the tension and conflict present in the relationship. It suggests a rubbing against each other, a lack of harmony. For the sake of illustration, there is a clear friction among P. Diddy and other singers, with each party seemingly unable to resolve their differences. P. Diddy's feuds have caused significant turmoil within the music industry and beyond. Turmoil is a state of great confusion, unrest, and disorder. To provide a concrete example, the turmoil surrounding P. Diddy's feuds has made headlines impacting his career, business ventures, and public image. So there you have it, a glimpse into the vocabulary of the P. Diddy saga. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and it's a good reminder that even in the world of celebrities, communication can be a source of great conflict. Until next time, keep learning, keep listening, and keep watching.